So during the coronavirus pandemic, we started doing a Ruth Stout method. This is what it looks like after about 3 weeks. You just put a little plot of a small little square, just like this. You know, my mom got her own square as well. That's the size of my hand. Let's see, what is the size of my hand right here? I don't know. We bought the hay bale from Ace Hardware store because they're selling hay bales for Halloween. This is about 3 weeks progress, and you can see the garlic seems to be coming in pretty nicely. It's come through the hay. There's another one right there. And we don't do anything to this. We just put the hay down, and we don't water it, we don't till it, we don't do anything. We just kind of let it be, just like that. We also put some seeds in the middle here, but nothing sprouted at all. And honestly, I think that none of the seeds are going to come up. So if I were to give a recommendation, I'll update you later to see if any of them actually do come up. Like there's a little thing right here. Nope, that's just a piece of leaf. But seems to be, if you're going to do the Root Stout method, maybe don't do it with seeds. Or if you do it with seeds, put on less hay than what we put on. Because you kind of need something to break through the hay, which the garlic sprouts were able to do here. And we're real excited to see how it continues to progress. We also put in some potatoes right here. I don't know how it's going to do. And the stuff that we planted here, it's about November right now. It's November right now. Early November. And we live in North Florida, so it's pretty hot here when it's coming close to the winter. So like 60 degrees maybe. What do we put in here? Like carrot, tomato, no, not tomato, cucumber. Might have put in parsnip or something, I don't remember exactly. None of the seeds seem to be doing well. My mom bought some Brussels sprouts that were already growing a little bit. She planted them in with the leaves on top. Here's a row where she put in some seeds. You can see another one growing right here. So hopefully the Brussels sprouts do well for her. She just put them right in there. They already have the leaves. That's why they look so grown already. Yeah, but the main thing's the garlic right now. So that's 3-month update. Root Stout method. No till, no water, no maintenance really. Just stick it in the ground and wait.